Today we are cooking Rojiamo, or China's answer to the hamburger. Really delicious. Oh, that's better than McDonald's. Easy. How? So we've already prepared our meat and cut it down to size. So now add cold water, add in some leek and 2 pieces of ginger. Now we put on the heat until it boils. Do not forget your super cheap white wine. When it's boiling, turn off the heat. Now all the white foam that comes from the blood, we want to remove that. The next step, we need to slightly fry our pork. When the pan is hot, add a slight amount of oil. The pork has its own fat, so we don't need much. Right now, add the pork. Super cheap white wine. Light soy. Dark soy. Oyster sauce. Some sugar. Some salt. Now we add our leek, our ginger, star anise, bay leaves and prickly pepper. Now give it a nice stir. Right, we stir for 5 minutes. Because our induction hob is not very efficient, we're going to move it over to the rice cooker. If you have gas, you can leave it in the pan, just add some water, should be great. So now let's add it in. Add some water to make sure the meat is submerged. We will use the rice steamer function and just start it. When the meat is cooking, we can start to prepare our bao bun. So 360 grams of flour, 225 water. Now 3 grams of yeast and some sugar. Now use chopsticks to stir. When it starts to look like this, we can begin to use our hands. Since the pan's too small for me, now that it's clean, I'm going to take out the pan so I can knead easier on a chopping board. Right, should be done. Now we can add into the pan. Now we cover with cling film. Put the lid on top. Now put in a warm place so the yeast can work its magic.
After 3 hours.
Oh, it's become bigger. Oh, yeah, that's a pause. That should be okay. So now we need to knead it again to release as much of the gas as we can. Done. We need to separate it. Put a hole in the middle. Done. Right, start with one. Roll it out with the rolling pin. Now roll it up again. And now when it looks like this, push it down. And roll again into a circle. And now make it into a ball. And repeat 8 times. When the pan's hot, add 4 to the pan. Put the lid on and wait 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, quickly just check the bottom. Oh yeah, once the bottom's cooked, turn them all over. Run it nice and tough. And now cover again. After 2 more minutes, should be done. Now the bao bun is done, let's check on our meat. Oh, we added in some egg because it should taste delicious. Woo! Final step. cut the barb on. Be very careful. Not all the way. You want some space. Take some meat. Now
授法转野，
add some of the juice. Juice is really tasty. It tastes exactly the same as when I was in China. If same as me, you like roast yam more, follow us. Easy. We'll come up with more good food.